Welcome to my kitchen, and I'm going to show you one of our new best friends in the kitchen. That is the Deluxe Cooking Baker. Oh my goodness, I'm telling you, this thing is amazing. Well, today we're going to make peanut butter, and it is just this. That's all I'm adding because this is already salted with sea salt. So I'm not gonna add any more salt to that, and I'm not adding any oil. If you like that kind of peanut butter, this is super easy. And by the way, this is cheaper at Aldi's than a jar of their natural peanut butter. Promise you. So we're gonna open this up. Do this, I'm doing this a little bit backwards here. There we go. Kind of like C-3PO, don't you think? Take the lid off, just dump this in. This we have learned, this is 3 cups, that's all you need. Just one container like this, the size. This is from Aldi's. And one container, 3 cups worth of peanuts. I have made almond butter, and I'll show you that here in a second. But let's go ahead, and you got a sneak peek of me. We're gonna turn it to the grind function. So we just turn this dial until we get to the grind function. I gotta put the lid back on, silly me. Oh my goodness, there we go. Okay, now we turn it to the grind function, and that's gonna be over here on this side. So that's lit up, and it's going to tell me about 2 minutes and 20 seconds. I'm going to then push the button to start. I will be also using the tamper, so we're going to go here for a little bit, so let's go ahead and do that. Push that to start. It's going to start grinding. Just use this just to move it in the middle. That's it. There we go. Oh my goodness. And that's it. That is it in less than 2 minutes. And I added nothing to that. So if it's important to you to have the right ingredients, let's take a look at this real quick. Open that up. And when you, oh my goodness, this is so, let me get a scraper. You gotta see this. This is so creamy. You will never want to make peanut butter again. I'm sorry, you'll never want to buy peanut butter. And the grinding power of this is incredible. So when you're done, lift this off with both hands. So that one is grabbing this little tab right here. I'm just gonna show you this. Look at that. Look at that yummy peanut butter. So that is perfect. That's it. That is peanut butter in our blender. You too can do this. I made almond butter. It's not going to be quite as creamy as that, and it does require a little bit of oil with that. So if you want it a little bit creamier, a little more spreadable, you could add a little bit more oil to that, but also made with the amazing blender. Okay, there you go. One more reason you want to get the blender. Happy cooking.